Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about LORA. It's not a checkpoint, it's not some custom code. It is just LORA which is doing wonders, by the way. I mean, I'm excited to see the developments which is going to happen in this LORA. It's by alivilab, as you can see here. This is ACE plus. So there are some LORAs here which can work as a inside face, like face swapper, and there are other LORAs also which is here, and these are for basically editing work. You can edit, or you can change clothes. You can copy a subject from one image and paste it to another. It will be a consistent, like a subject consistent based editing. So we are going to look at the LORA of face swap first. The rest of the LORAs we can talk about it in next video. So I don't want to stress this video too much. That's why I'm doing this one by one. So first, this is the page, GitHub page. I will put this link in the description and also in my workflow. There are things that you can see here, and let me just zoom on this. As you can see, we're going to talk about only the face swap LORA, character ID consistency generation. Basically, maintain the facial feature. A girl is wearing a neat police uniform and sporting a badge. She is smiling with a friendly and confident demeanor. The background is blurred, featuring a cartoon logo. As you can see, the Scarlett Johansson face on this the new whatever. See, so I have used this LORA, and it's good. It does the work. It works good, but it is not the best, I would say. I've worked with PULID 2 and Instant ID, SGXL, and there are there's also IP adapter. So in my opinion, it is good, but we're going to see basically, is this a good thing to have or not? Okay. So as you can see, the face of Jackie Chan and Scarlett Johansson, and this is Jackie Johnson. I don't know, but it's bad. As you can see, the face is good. I mean, there's no seams on the face. As you can see, the mask is here, and the face is pretty good. It doesn't go with the it's very odd put a face here. Still it works, right? And there are other things, as I told you, like a try on thing, which is like changing clothes, and you can put a logo on a product. So lots of things that you can do. uh, yeah, it is also, it can upscale. I don't know, we'll see about that, how good is this upscaler. And there's a lot of things that this LORAs can do. So I'm excited about the subject one, the subject LORA, but let's see how the portrait, the face ID works. Okay, so far this is it, and I will put the link, and you can see there's a lot of workflows here. You can download it and work accordingly. It will be fine. Tutorials also here, so you can just go and download these and look. If you want any information that you want on ACE Plus, you can just go here and you can get that information. Let's just install this and start working. Okay, so first thing first, you can download this. This is a LORA. You know how to download the LORA. So just go to models here. As you can see, there are models here, ACE models. I'm going to go to Hugging Face model and LORA plus ACE data, and you can find the LORA here, which is Comfyui Portrait LORA, and look at this, 613 MB only. This is the biggest one. Other versions, subject and local editing, is like 150 MB and so, and that is like so cool. This is good because it doesn't take too much storage. So just download this, and you have to download this in download this and go to UI or Comfyui and models and LORA, and put it here. I made a folder. You can do that. I put the LORA here. As you can see, I've downloaded the other ones too. You can do that too. You will find it here. Just go back. Like if you go to the ACE Plus, you'll find everything here. Like go to files and version, and you can see like local editing, portrait, and subject. You can see there's a ace plus safe transfer also, which is, I guess it is based on the base version of fill, flux fill. It works on flux fill basically, so you need that in order to work with the LORA. So you can download this, but it is 23.8 GB and I can't run this. My PC is not going to run it. So what we are going to do is we're going to use another thing, which is, this is the workflow, by the way. You can just go here and download the main model. You can download the Flux Turbo LORA also for faster generation, and Flux Fill FP8 version, which is slightly less on the storage. As you can see, this is the Flux Fill 8. You can download it. It's 11 GB, half of that size, and it's a FP8 version. I mean, it will do fine. You don't have to go for the larger version. If you can, if your GPU supports it, you can go with the higher version, and that's it. You need these two things, and this is the workflow. Let me show you the workflow quickly, and then we'll generate 2-3 images, and that's it. Okay, so first one, you will find everything here in this node, the models, the GitHub page. If you don't have the text encoders and clip, you can find it here also. And Discord link, if you are new to the channel and if you have a lot of queries and you want some answers and everything, like you want to be a part of community, you can just go to Discord, this link, and you can join the Discord. We can you can put screenshot, you can share the workflow, you can share your images, and I will start putting challenges also, and I will share some behind the stuff too. So if you're interested, go and join the Discord. There's Instagram link, YouTube link also, and support me if you can, so I can buy a better GPU. Yeah, the first thing is load diffusion model FP8, then the dual clipper, then power loader, because yeah, we need a LORA also. So ACE, this is a Comfyui portrait. I'm not using Flux Turbo. You can use Turbo LORA also. And load VAE, Flux VAE, Tcache. I'm using Tcache, not the Div Turbo LORA. So you can install this also by going to Manager and install Missing Custom after drag and drop my workflow. You will find it here. Just install it, and that's it. This Tcache will generate images faster. Okay, you don't have to use the 8-step. You can use it with 25 steps, and it will take same amount of time as Div Turbo LORA, maybe faster. Seed. This is the image loaders. So first image here, the face you want on the image. This is the face, and this is the image generation area, basically, where there's a clip load and image and mask preview. Basically the two things will be here to show you like what is going on actually. And Inpainting model, because we are inpainting using Flux fill. And so this is here, VA code, image crop, and the key sampler, and save, preview, and save. This is here. This is for image processing, because there are two things here. As you can see, this is, you don't have to change all of this. You don't need to change all of these, because this is automated. You don't need to change a lot of things here. If you want to change, if you want to go with according to your thing, you can just check this out. If you want to change something out of it, you can, but you don't need to. Let me tell you that. So the only thing you need to change is this, because the image resize, you can resize it to 1024, 768, 512 if you want to, or you can switch these, like the normal thing. This switch node is for basically Inpaint. As you can see, this is the Inpaint area, Inpaint for small heads or object, because the thing is, sometimes you get the image which is with the image will be, or the image could be a wide shot where the character's face is small, like it has almost no pixels to work on or get details. So we can't do this, like we can't use this face and put it here because pixels are too low, so we can't use that. So this is for that. Actually what this node does is, actually it will enlarge this area, the small area, and then it will enlarge it by like 1024 sensitivity, whatever you want, and then it will enhance this area, work on it, create new details, like create the whole face, and then put it here again. So you will get the details in here. This is a good note. So you can install it by go to the install missing custom code and custom node, and you can install it there. Okay, so everything is same. So I've told you what the workflow is all about, and now we're going to use the, now let's see what happens if we queue this. So one more thing, the switch is for pixel enhance. As you can see, if you go with the first one, the pixel enhance, it will use this. It's for small character faces. Like if you have character head here, you want to upscale it, you can use the pixel enhance. Or if you have a normal image like this where the face has too like has good pixels, so you can go with the normal one. So I'm going with the normal one first because it has too many, like it is a big picture. As you can see, a very big picture, the pixel is too much here. Let's just open mask editor, use the mask, and that's it, and let's queue it. It's good that it has the lighting, understand the lighting, where it's coming from, and the face too. Yeah, this is good. If I have given more space, like I have done some more masking around it, maybe it will get a better result. So as you can see, the results are great. I'm happy with that also. Let's change this. Let's change the subject and let's see what happens if I change it. Let's use this. Okay, so we're checking how it works with other art styles. Retain face. This is the trigger word. You have to use this retain face, and you can use you can basically prompt other things. Like if you want some emotions and everything, you can write it here and it will create that emotion. It's not that great. I mean, it creates artifacts, different artifacts on the face, like some sunlight is coming from somewhere or something weird which doesn't happen in with PULID or even instant ID. So this is a bit weird, but it's fine. So far so good. I mean, it's a LORA. What can you expect from a LORA? This is already doing so much good. So look at this. It has that face of Dean Radcliffe, but I'm not sure about the style. As you can see, this is good, but it's not going with the whole theme here, I would say. But if I say go with that using okay random seed, let's see, it's not following a command. Let's go with a woman, create a woman. But this face, this, give it freedom. This looks great, right? See the similarities. Again, it's still not the same. If you have seen my last PULID 2 video, face is very dominant, like the face is very prominent there after using PULID 2. But this is okay, right? Let's go with another one. Let's use this. This is a different art style, basically a chalk or sketching style. Use my face just time, but let's use this. After this, one more, and then we're done. As you can see, there's a lot of things that is good here. I mean, I don't mind using a LORA for face swap. I don't have to use a lot of custom nodes in order to work that. So you can totally use this for your workflows. And there's some good things about this LORA too. As you can see, I have a mole under my eye, right? If you haven't seen this. So PULID 2 don't bother to use my facial features in the newly generated image. But in this, I have seen some images where this is also there. Like like kind of the shitty mustache I have, it generate that kind of mustache, and this mole also. So it's great. This LORA is great in some of the some area. This is good. As you can see, this face is has good lighting. Everything is, you can clearly see this, so that's why this image is good for face swap. Well, damn. I don't look this good, but as you can see, this I can say this is a very good image. I want to end this right here because this is the good image so far. But let's do one more because I want to show you this small area also. So what I was talking about, like as you can see, this image, person face is very far, right? It is very difficult to like create image here, face here, because the pixels are very low here, right? So what we can do is, if I enable this, by the way, you can do this, you can enable this from here too. This is the new updated version of Comfyui. You will encounter a problem. You can solve it by copy the requirement from a Comfy folder and paste it on the updated version, like update folder, and that's it, I guess. It's not a big error. You can find it on Google. So this is the Inpaint crop and Inpaint stitch. What happens is, if I use the open mask editor, save it, I'm going to change it to the pixel enhance, and I'm going to, I already told you what's going to happen. It's going to upscale this, see, upscale the area, and then do the LORA thing or do the face swap thing in this upscaled area. So you will get the details here, and yeah, that's it. Look at this. I look funny, but I look funny real life, but here also you can see this face is, it has details, but it has that blurry thing that make this face more believable because it goes with the whole image vibe, right? When you're working with this much of area only, you don't have that much space to create details, but now you can with this. If you don't believe me, let me just turn this off, and let's go with the second one. Let's create one more. Okay, so this is this is the last one. Okay, so look at this. See, this is not my face, is it? I think I look like this. Oh sir. So this is my face. Now you can understand what I was saying and what I was referring to. This is me, not me. So if you want to use something that has a character which is far and you want to add your face, so you can use this. You can use Inpaint crop and Inpaint stitch for that. Okay, so yeah, that's all, I guess. Use this workflow, and if you create something with this, or you find any adjustment and you can or you have something to add to this workflow, please do it and share the workflow in my Discord channel. Join the Discord channel, and yeah, if you are new to this channel, consider like and subscribe. If you support me, I can buy a new GPU 5060, saving money for that, so your support will be appreciated. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.